This week I was preparing my first notice of intent in a medical malpractice case since the new law came into effect. And the more I read the law and the more I went on preparing my notice, the angrier I became. Hang on for a moment and I'll share with you the reason why I became so angry about this new law. Hi, I'm Dr. Guy DiMartino, Florida medical malpractice lawyer and author of A Patient's Guide to Medical Malpractice Claims. And as I was saying earlier, this week I was preparing this notice of intent. If you don't know what a notice of intent is, please click the bubble to my right and it'll take you to a video explaining what a notice of intent is, and the video is called The Second Phase of a Florida Medical Malpractice Case. So back to this new law. The new law started in July, and what it does, it requires victims of medical malpractice, when they file or serve their notice of intent to the doctor or to the hospital, they have to give an authorization allowing the doctor's lawyer to go and speak to your treating doctor. Forget about privacy. No more privacy in the state of Florida. So imagine this scenario. You were injured in a medical malpractice case. You have another doctor whom you love. The doctor has done everything for you, has helped repair you. You never wanted to bring to that doctor's attention the fact that you were suing the first doctor. You didn't want to pull that doctor into the lawsuit. So you wanted to keep that private. So you see your doctor, and lo and behold, a week later or 2 weeks later, he or she receives a phone call from the defense lawyer saying, I want to come in and talk to you. And I want to come in and talk to you about patient X. He says, well, why do you want to do that? Well, patient X filed a medical malpractice case against this doctor. So imagine what's going on in your doctor's mind. Am I going to be getting sued next? Why am I being drug into this? Why didn't my patient tell me that she or he was suing that other doctor? Imagine what that does to the doctor-patient relationship. Why am I sharing this with you? Because I have an issue with this authorization requirement. And you need to know that if you are going to pursue a Florida medical malpractice claim, you have to give up this privacy right. Those are things that you'll have to discuss with your lawyer beforehand. You probably will have to let your subsequent treating physicians know that an attorney might be contacting them. It's going to change the whole landscape. The other thing that you need to know about this authorization is that they can go and speak with your treating doctor without you being present or without me being present or your lawyer being present. Florida medical malpractice law is becoming more and more complex. There are getting to be more hurdles that are placed in front of patients who are victims of medical malpractice. If you have any questions about a Florida medical malpractice case, you can always give me a call, shoot me an email, or visit my website and blog. I am Guy DiMartino, meeting you at the intersection of law and medicine.